welcome to this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to set up your Photoshop files with a bleed. Before I begin though, if possible, you should ask your printer, your print shop for their bleed requirements since it could slightly differ from what I'll be showing here. But if you don't know yet where you'll be printing, no worries because you'll be able to adjust your file easily later on. So let's begin. So first, I'll be showing you how to create a file from scratch and then adding a bleed. If you already have created your design but need to add a bleed, I'll be showing that after. So let's create a new file. And let's say we're making a 4x3 inch card. Make sure resolution is 300 and color mode is CMYK. Create. Next thing you do is to show your rulers, which is Command R or Ctrl R. And then just drag or click anywhere on the ruler and drag to the edge of the artboard on all sides. So it should snap actually. Left and right. And so you have your guides, which will show you the safe zone, which is the white artboard right here. Anything past the guides, once we add the bleed, will be cut off. So just make sure any important details, contact info, or graphics, they're not super close to the guides because it could potentially be cut off still, or any misalignments will be pretty obvious. So next thing you do is go to image and canvas size. And here's where we do a little bit of math. So we use millimeters as our unit. So let's just hit millimeters. And then for our bleed requirements, we require 3.5 mm per side. So that's 3.5 mm to the top, to the bottom, to the left, and to the right. So that gives us a total of 7 mm to the width and to the height. So with that in mind, we just add 7. So 101 becomes 108 and 76 becomes 83. Click OK. So as you can see, the artboard or the canvas extended past the guides, and you can see now what area will be cut off. So like I said, just make sure all the important bits are within the inner box. So now let's say you already have a design made and it doesn't have a bleed. Let me show you an example of a file. This is a gift tag that is in its exact size. Let's just show you. It is 2 by 3.5, resolution 300. So it's a standard calling card size. Since it doesn't have a bleed yet, we have to add a bleed. So let's go to the PSD file, which is the editable file. And let's say this is the file that you have right now. So as per our demo earlier, make sure your rulers are shown. Click and drag to each side. And then image canvas size, millimeters, add 7, or however your print shop requirement is. 795. And so as you can see, the file extended, and the graphics, some of the graphics are actually not cut off, which is good. You can see the elements here have extended past that. So even if it's shown here, these parts will be cut off. But if in case the printer shifts or the cutter shifts, there won't be any awkward white lines because as you can see here that the elements have filled out past the guides towards the bleed area. So all you have to do is save this and then just send it to your printer or to us. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and don't forget to like this video so you can refer back to it. I'll also be uploading an Illustrator version soon, and if you use Canva, you can check the video out. I'll link it below in the description box. Thanks for watching!